Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in today's design we shall be doing this logo. I did this logo using Pixellab and I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to replicate this. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button. Like this video, endeavor to comment. If you have any questions along watching this video, I would like you to check up your questions in the comment box and I will get to you as soon as possible. Also, I also like that you share this video so that many people can get access to it. So right away, we'll move to our Pixellab. So this is our Pixellab workspace. I'm going to bring in a new text. I'll be using this font Nexa Heavy. So if you don't have these fonts, just go through my channel. I have made a video on how to download and install fonts on your Pixellab. Make sure you use that font, or if there is any other suitable font that I like to use, then you are free to use. So I will use the N, capitalize it, enlarge to this size. Alright, so right away now I'm going to my stroke. I'll increase the stroke width to 40. Stroke width to 40. I want to make sure that it is well centralized, so I will come to relative position, centralize it, and then I close. I'll go now to my shape tool and bring a round shape. So I'll reduce the opacity to 0, the stroke width to, let me say, 40. I will expand. Let me put the stroke width at 30. So I'll expand so that it engulfs the N. Alright, so I'll also make sure I centralize this one. I'll bring in a new shape, reduce it to this size, and I place it in this order. Please follow up. Alright, I'm sure it's okay that way. I will lock it. I will do a replicate of it and also do same here. Alright, so I'll bring in another shape here, change the color to black, and I'll place here. Send backward. So do a copy of this and do same here. So it's sending backward. Okay, so now match all of this to one element and you go to your eraser color tool, click OK, and this is what you have. Alright, so from here now I will go to, alright, I'm going to insert the color here. So click on enable, I'll go to gradient. So normally we have this, click on this plus button here, and this color will duplicate this to pure white. This one I will reduce the opacity. So for this I'll just create multiple colors here of different thickness. Okay, so this is what I have. I'll click OK, and this is what I have. But before doing this, let me just remove this color. Let me give it its normal black. Alright, so I'll click on this. I'll go to draw. The pen size, I'll put it at 50. Put the pen size at 50. Okay, so I'll click here, click here, click here. Alright, also click here. Okay, so I'll just mesh all of this. Then I'll go and input that color. Alright, so for the shadow, keep the blur radius at 5. I think that's all. Then now import the background. Please, if you are still watching, have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button. Hit on that subscribe button. Okay, here we go. This is all we have. So thanks for watching. I would like you to replicate this. I will send you the resources. Hit on that subscribe button, like this video, and please, I'm waiting to get your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.